field here, these strange rock carvings are very old and we're not sure exactly what they mean.
We think they might be a warning to local tribesmen to stay away from an ancient cave, but we're not sure why. Keep an eye out, researchers. Our satellites show you should be close to seeing some giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or to use their scientific name, camelopardalis.
They got their name because they look like a cross between a camel and a leopard.
Put the two together and you get camelopardalis.
Now, look closely everyone and make note of how many animals you can see so that we can document the number of this herd.
In the wild, the giraffe population has dropped by 40% in the past 30 years due to poaching and habitat loss.
The Chessington Conservation Fund supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild and can grow as tall as 6 metres. That's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Wow! That's as fast as a truck.
Their long necks enable them to reach the tops of the trees for their favourite snack, leaves.
They also swim for no more than 5 minutes at a time.
That's so interesting.
They're just wonderful.
Which is why it's vital we continue our efforts to preserve this magnificent species. See some antelope with white blaze on their faces. These are called Blesbok.
They were once one of the most abundant antelope species of the African plains, but they became an endangered species during the early colonisation of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat.
Thankfully, numbers have since recovered and they are now deemed as a low-risk species. They live for up to 17 years and both males and females have horns.
Though the female's horns are slightly more slender.
Researchers, our satellites are showing that something's obstructing the route.
It looks like an abandoned vehicle, and there's no sign of a research team it belongs to. We recommend that you find an alternative route.
But don't go too far off the track.
What about?
Don't worry.
We lost
Stay seated until you're back at base, where a member of our expedition team will tell you when it's safe to leave the vehicle.